Have you ever wondered why some homemade zobo taste so rich, refreshing, and absolutely irresistible, while others come out too sour or too watery? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make the perfect Nigerian zobo drink and the secret tricks that makes the flavor unforgettable. This recipe combines fresh zobo leaves with juicy pineapple, spicy ginger, fragrant cloves, tamarind, and few simple ingredients to create a drink that is perfect for hot afternoons, family gatherings, party, or simply relaxing at home. So by the end of this recipe, I'll also share a few simple tips that will help your zobo stay fresh longer and taste just like the one sold at your favorite events. So if you are ready to learn how to make a delicious, refreshing zobo drink that everyone will ask for again and again, grab your ingredients and let's get started. Begin by carefully sorting through the dried zobo leaves. Remove any stones, sand, stalks, or unwanted particles. Then transfer the leaves into a large bowl and rinse them several times with clean water until the water becomes clear. This removes dust and ensure drinks taste fresh and clean. Don't soak the leaves for too long as this may reduce their rich color. After washing the leaves, place them into a clean pot. Then peel and slice the ginger roots. Measure out your cloves, cinnamon sticks if you are using them. Fresh ingredients always produce a richer and more aromatic zobo drink, so ensure all your ingredients are fresh. So here is a display of the ingredients I'll be using in making this zobo drink. So I'll be using zobo leaves, tamarind, fresh ginger, cinnamon, pineapple, and some oranges. Once I'm through with the prepping, I'll go ahead and place the washed zobo leaves, the tamarind, cloves, and ginger into a pot big enough to boil all the ingredients. So after adding these ingredients in the pot, I'm going to pour about 3 liters of clean water into the large pot for cooking the zobo. So next, I will start by preparing the fruits for making the zobo drink. I will start off by washing the pineapple thoroughly. Cut off the crown and peel the pineapple. Do not throw away the peel because they contain plenty of natural flavor. So chop the pineapple flesh into small pieces and set them aside. After adding the desired amount of water for cooking the zobo drink, I'll place the sliced orange and pineapple peel into the pot. If you are using cinnamon stick, add it together with the ingredients, but this is totally optional. After adding all the ingredients, cover and allow everything to boil over medium to high heat for 10 to 20 minutes. Note that as the ingredients cook, the water gradually turns into a deep wine red color while absorbing the fruity sweetness and the spicy aroma. So while the zobo leaf is boiling, let's work on extracting our juice from the fruits used in making the zobo. If you have a good juice extractor, please go ahead and use it. That way the extracted juice remains concentrated without any added water. But if you don't have any juice extractor, please follow my process by using a blender to extract your juice from the pineapple. After extracting the juice from the pineapple, I will set aside but won't be discarding the chaff derived from the juice. I'll add that to the boiling ingredients. Note no ingredient is going to waste because we want to get much flavor as possible. I'll gently stir in the ingredients slightly to get them submerged, then cover the pot and continue to cook. If you are enjoying this recipe so far and you are learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my channel reach more people who love simple and delicious Nigeria recipe. And if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my weekly recipe, kitchen tips and food inspiration. Now let's continue and make this zobo even more delicious. So while we wait for the zobo to get ready, let's work on extracting the orange juice using a manual extractor. Feel free to use any tool that makes the work easier for you. Remember, we are making fruity zobo drink, and you can pair any fruit that suits the taste of the drink. So while we extract the orange juice, let me give you some tips to make the best zobo drink that will taste fresh and last long. Firstly, always use fresh ginger for a bold, spicy flavor. Pineapple peel adds natural sweetness to your zobo drink, so don't omit this part. Do not overcook your zobo beyond 30 minutes. Strain twice for that extra smooth drink using a fine muslin cloth. And final but not the least, chill thoroughly before serving for the best taste. Now the zobo is done cooking and ready for sieving. Place a fine sieve or a cheesecloth or a clean muslin cloth over a clean large bowl or pot. Slowly pour the mixture through it. Press the boiled pineapple and zobo leaf gently with a spoon to extract every drop of the flavorful liquid. Then discard the leftover solids. So for some storage tips, you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. For longer storage, freeze in an airtight container and always use clean sterilized bottle to extend freshness. Avoid leaving your zobo drink at the room temperature for a long period. Remember, we use fresh fruit for these drinks, so you don't want them to turn bad leaving it at the kitchen counter. After filtering the zobo into a bowl, allow the mixture to cool off for about 20 to 30 minutes before introducing the fresh extracted juice. Then stir everything completely. So in order to sweeten this drink, you are going to add sugar to sweeten the zobo drink. Just do as you want with this drink and you're going to get the best out of it. While the liquid is slightly warm, add the sugar gradually and stir continuously until it dissolves completely. Taste as you go and adjust the sweetness to your preference. You can also use honey, dates, stevia, brown sugar if you prefer a healthier alternatives. Once you are done adding sweetener to this drink, transfer the drinks into a bottle or an airtight containers. Refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours overnight. Cold zobo tastes much better because all the flavor blends together beautifully. And there you have it, our rich, refreshing homemade Nigerian Zobo drink, made from scratch with simple ingredients and packed with amazing flavor. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family, friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious Nigerian recipe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so you will be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your effort, your support. Until next time, stay safe, keep cooking with love, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.